Hi mates, welcome back to Complete Concepts. In the previous video, we have seen filter method. In this video, we will check reduce method in JavaScript. So without wasting time, let's start. Reduce method is used to combine all elements in an array to provide one single value. So suppose we have some requirement to sum all the elements of an array and we have to display that sum. So let me declare one array where v1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now using reduce we will try to print its sum. So reduce method will return us a new value. So where total equal to and we will use v1 dot reduce. Now this reduce method will take a callback function and now this callback function will take 4 values, which is previous value, current index and array. Previous value and current value are the mandatory parameters. We have to pass it. The current index and array are optional parameters. We can avoid those. So now we will pass total, which is our previous value. We will put our sum in that total variable and we will pass our item as our current element. And now we will define its body. So now we will return total plus item. And now we will try to print this thing. Console.log printing sum and it will be like total. Now let me save this thing and we will try to run this thing. Node reduce.js and here we have our sum, which is 15. We can do all this procedure using an arrow function also. Now let me clear this thing and we will use arrow function over here. So our arrow function will take two values, which is total and item, which is the previous value and the current value. We can assign either 0 or we can keep it as it is. So now we will use our arrow and then we will return the thing. As our function is of only one line, we can avoid return statement. So we will directly pass total plus item. We will save this thing and we will try to run this again. So we have our same output using the arrow function. If you want to check what is arrow function, how to define that arrow function and how to use it, we have a separate video for arrow functions in a functions video. You can check that. I will keep its link in the description and in the card. So this was all for this video. If you have any queries, put those in the comment. I will try to answer those. Please do like, share and subscribe. This is Yash Kulkarni signing off.